My name is Stokman. I'm the ICT manager of the Pluripharm group since 3 years now. That's a very short term compared to the almost 40 years that Pluripharm group is existing. We are a pharmaceutical wholesaler, which means that we deliver medicines to pharmacies, local pharmacies, to hospitals, and also direct to patients on behalf of our pharmacies. So every day we get a lot of orders which are handled throughout the day and which are delivered in night, which is something else than overnight. So in night means at the end of the operation, 11 o'clock, all the trucks go out and they go deliver to all the pharmacies in the Netherlands. The reason we contacted Steltix is that we were running a datacentres environment here, but we were running it in-house on our own servers, and the servers are end of life, and we need to take the next step in our IT evolution, as you call it. So we wanted to go to the cloud. For us, it was a very important move. All the orders we get in through the day are expected normally to be delivered the next day. So the next day, when the patient comes into pharmacy, the medicine should be there that the patient is expecting. Our whole infrastructure needs to be very reliable, robust, scalable, and in our opinion, we could best achieve that by moving to the cloud. We now have our datacentres environment running in the Oracle Cloud, and it runs stable. We don't see major issues with it. It's running smoothly. Steltix is managing it, the whole OCI environment, so we don't need to worry about it. It doesn't keep me awake at night, which is very nice, of course. We also started looking into using AppShare. That is a product that Steltix has developed, which is basically sort of a layer around datacentres where you can automate processes or make different screens, so make it easier for the user to basically put data into the system or get that out of the system or automate certain tasks. But for me, the most important is, besides the stability, the scalability, the security, the robustness, is that we can now focus on other things. Okay, how do we use datacentres? What can we do more? How can we bring more benefit to the business? So we can much more focus on optimizing the use of datacentres in the coming years, and we need to in the coming years because we still expect a lot of changes also to the whole operations and to the whole business of the pharmacies. And we have to spend less time on just keeping things running. And in the end, that migration that we did from an on-premise to an Oracle Cloud environment was extremely successful. We did it in a weekend. We started Friday night after stop of operations, and we had until Sunday 5 o'clock. That was the cut-off time. Then we needed to be ready because the next day the operation starts again. And we managed to do that in the proper time frame without any major hiccups.